it's good enough.
So if the cable and this shit fails, it's locked. It's a safety mechanism.
Got the master mechanics.
Yeah. We're about to straight pipe this bad boy.
Wait, come here a little bit.
Look at these tires, man. They are bald as crap. I was gonna say just like Coach Branch, but Coach Branch is a good guy, so I don't say.
But he's still bald though. So.
Well, yeah.
Got master mechanic Ron.
No, I'm not no mechanic. I'm not no mechanic. Okay, so let's see. What am I looking at?
What do you have to cut off?
Them the cats, just the muffler.
Yeah, you want to keep your cat. So, I don't think that's part of the muffler. Is that?
No, that's a cat.
This is your muffler. This
You
is
might just take this off. It might come out.
I know if you cut that off, it'll be even louder.
Yeah. But it might make it more like clappier though. Like
It could.
Let's just cut it off to like right here, maybe.
Right.
cut it right here.
Figure out what size that is. If that, yeah, I think that'll come off.
Make sure none of the springs are cracked or anything.
Right, what you need to do, you need to get a flow master. Get a Super 10.
Oh yeah. I have no clue what size it is. We're gonna be.
Actually, with a flow master, it'll make it a little less loud than straight pipe, but it'll give it way more tone to it, make it way deeper. Pause.
Go okay.
I said pause. No diddy. No
I just
diddy.
got 3 random
All
sizes.
Diddy.
Whoa, whoa, wait, whoa, hold on.
All Diddy, man. What are you talking about? Yo. Freaking. Oh, Ryan.
What?
You got freaking.
No way, I got the right size the first time. No way. This isn't Fortnite, you dummy!
You're about to come out here and beat those
And he's gonna see a bunch of idiots under a truck.
Trying to freaking straight pipe a Ford F-150.
They're here sweeping and I can't figure out what the hell size.
Bug none these guys?
What did you already try?
This is a 5/8.
Was it
and
too
It
big?
was the closest. Like, it was pretty close.
Was it too big? Too small?
Yeah, it was a little too big. I swear I do better if I just grab a bunch of random ones. I mean, this is how you know I'm a master mechanic, right?
Oh, yeah.
And if we can't find the right wrench, we just throw the wrenches angrily and go get the saw and cut the bitch.
I'm gonna say, let's just cut everything.
Yeah, let's just cut it.
Fuck
That'd
it.
be
Let's just
easier.
drive the truck in the ditch. How about that?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Alright.
You talking about the truck that I just got for my birthday?
Yeah,
oh,
that's
dude,
it.
that is.
Hey, you about did it anyway. About ready to a tree.
I did not run into that tree.
Okay, so now next step, plan B. Y'all get ready for an hour-long video
Yeah, for
of a
real.
bunch of retards
This video
trying to
get
find the
longer
right
than
wrench size to take off the Ford
Hey, I found it.
F-150.
I'm being serious. I found the right wrench.
Oh yeah, he did.
Sexy motherfucker.
I think it's cut it off.
Okay.
It's like
It might be
it's
too.
rusted on there.
You want to cut it off?
Just get her.
Is it better that way?
I mean, I cut mine off,
It really.
and then I started beating more shit off.
Do it. I don't care. I want you to be like pretty deep in mine. You're gonna.
If
get
you want it deeper, you're gonna have to get like a exhaust on there.
Nah, I don't
Yes.
think so. I think it's gonna be deep. Cause my truck was deep as shit, and it was gonna be.
Yeah,
And this is a bigger motor.
No.
It's a 5.0.
Yeah, you had a 5.3.
No, I didn't. I had a 4.8.
Oh, I thought your truck was a 5.3.
4.8.
Oh
Hey, you
shit.
better watch out. Them shavings are gonna be hot.
Could have sworn you had a 5.3.
Be very careful.
Nothing sound better than a 5.3 straight pipe.
The 4.8 was like the exact same. I swear.
Get right here. Get right here on this side and cut it straight down.
Yeah, I know, but I'm afraid of fucking metal.
5.7 sound good straight pipe.
Where are you gonna cut it at?
5.7 Dodge.
Where
Yes.
exactly are you gonna cut it at?
Probably
Either cut it.
probably right after that, like.
Need to probably cut it down here.
Oh, wait, whoa. What is this? Why is this?
It's holding up the muffler.
How do you get that
relax
off?
a little bit.
It's a hanger. It ain't really nothing. It
It's
just
welded on there.
no. It's sitting on there. Oh wait, it is welded.
Just freaking off.
Wait, why are the... What? I'm turning the tire this way, and that tire's going the other way.
Isn't it because that has like a...
Where is the freaking, jab cam sitting?
I'm no mechanic.
Yeah.
Bro, so it can't get started.
Well, start it first and then slowly put it on there.
Yeah, grinder would have been way easier. Do it. Do it.
Hell no. I mean, that would help out in this shop right now, but this is not assisting.
No, it gotta be a grinder somewhere around here. You just use the chainsaw. Everything behind it gonna come off.
I'm scared, man. I am too. Where did you cut? You did not get. And I'm feeling metal chunks. Huh?
Is it hot?
No, metal chunks on my arm feel great, man. I love it.
Yeah.
It's truly.
Ow!
It's an exquisite feeling. I tell you what.
I'll tell you what right now, boy. I'm about to cut through this one again.
No, I am. Watch out. I'm gonna be a little puss. I don't care.
Bro, all that rust was, bro. It was a whole bunch of rust back here. Oh shit. Come on, you got it. Almost there.
Dude, you're almost through it.
Dude, more important. Get your ass off.
No, we'll start from the other side.
What? I didn't hear what you said.
Now we're gonna cut a whole bunch of other crap off. We should just leave it like this.
No.
Don't matter where I cut this, though. It gotta be. Bro, how? One more, or you can just beat the shit out of it.
Whoa. You can just pull this out, can't you?
No.
Hit it out.
But what you can do. Well, that kind of ruined my line.
How you feeling, Logan?
What you can do. Oh,
Great.
can do. Just beat it the fuck out.
Yeah, that's what he said. Yeah, you get that beat next.
Okay, maybe not.
Wait a minute. How are we gonna...
Someone needs to come here.
Is it hot? I don't know if that's hot.
I know. First-hand experience.
Oh, whoa. You pushing us over here. Now pull it back. Slowly, ever so slightly. This thing isn't exactly light.
I forgot our stuff was back here.
I'm freaking soaked.
Crank it up. Let's hear it.
We gotta wait for all of us to get in it. So
No, I'm gonna stay out.
You gonna stay out and listen?
Hold on. I want in.
It's better to hear from out then in. Pause.
Hold on.
I'm waiting.
Hang on. Fucking.
Crawl through the window. Don't open it.
Crawl through the window.
Think smarter, not harder.
Be harder, not softer.
Yeah, I think they might just be gay.
Man, I just polished those sheets and everything. Oh shit! Ah.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
It's gonna, now listen, one thing is it's gonna sound really goofy whenever it does the motor acting up.
Really? Real?
Cut the cats now.
Yeah.
Trying to get a louder sound out of it. So, finna cut the cats.
I don't get AIDS or anything from this. Yeah. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be using this awesome duck teeth. And it totally is a real duck decoy that it just doesn't have eyes. They didn't add the eyes on for some reason. Yeah, see, you don't even have legs. That's how you know. It's a duck decoy. It doesn't have legs. Yeah. It's a duck decoy. It's not real or anything. So don't panic. Don't.
Shut up, liberal.
I'm saying really mean things. I'm just saying.
Bro, I know what I can do.
Huh?
For that part where he said I'm finna say some real mean
Yeah,
things.
do you believe I'm a black dude?
I'm gonna put that
Skip
Mario.
it, or
That,
skip
skip it. What are you, Logan? What are you doing?
Increasing my grip strength. You gotta get in here.
Helping out a lot.
Ryan, you're the master mechanic. What are you talking about?
It's not hard to move a yellow bar.
Yeah, when you don't have your hands right there.
No, it's not even gonna be lined up right.
Fuck it, I say we just blow up the truck.
I think we're good. I think we just get up underneath there, cut that cat off real quick before this truck commits suicide. You!
Master mechanic.
Yeah, master mechanic. He is the, What is leaking? Is that the AC?
Most likely.
Are you sure that's AC? There's a pipe leaking.
Wait.
I think is that an AC pipe?
Watch out.
Somebody's calling me, bro. Somebody's calling me right now, man. What? Oh, I'll give my phone.
Oh, please. I don't want to die.
Oh, you're not.
No, you'll be fine.
Look at that.
This thing is this truck.
What?
Look at it. Step back here and look at it. You can definitely tell it's not underneath.
It's kind of leaning back.
It's definitely not.
Thing's popping a wheel like a sports vehicle.
You don't think I'm gonna die, right?
Hey,
No.
I got it on film, so.
Look how bad this thing is.
Are you pushing it a lot? Push it a good bit, wobble it a lot, see if it falls, see if it does anything.
I mean, it looked sturdy on there.
Alright.
Imagine the views. Crushed by truck.
Dude, don't even joke about that thing.
I'm scared, bro. I don't want to kill Ryan. I gotta hold this thing up with the manpower I got. I only can always go like close to 300, man. This thing is totally different.
Hey, as long as you can bench 225, you can hold up this truck. Just kidding, I was trolling.
Oh, don't do that. No. I don't know that's a good idea.
I mean, it wouldn't matter if you cut the bolts. Just cut it in the middle. It couldn't
What if
have
we just cut this big circle? Freaking
Start getting small wrenches.
try 12.
Yeah. Go over there and start.
And I'm not talking about the age of women.
Yeah.
Logan got a good idea.
Let's see if we have any of that stuff you put on rusty stuff.
Oh, WD-40?
Can.
Rusty. Just get
Chain lube.
a wrench. Put this on there. Yeah, come on.
Oh yeah, I mean.
Give it some leverage. Got an impact? Impact. Take on off. If it ain't stripped. What size have you tried already?
I don't know.
Bruh. You gotta look
Don't
at.
worry about getting this cat off, man.
You gotta see what size you already use. Did you try 12? It looks.
This is 5/8 and it's too big.
Yeah, of course. Bro, get a 12 or a 13. That's probably the size it is. You having fun?
No.
Nice, a rocket ship.
I love rockets. Space is so cool, man.
Rocket ship. First time my channel took down?
Did I?
This is
Yeah. Yeah.
We're gonna be here a minute, boys.
we have a socket wrench.
I don't know if it's for one.
What is that? What's that size?
It's gonna take forever.
The half.
Bacon just a little progress on this pack.
Yep.
While I'm holding it down.
I can't. You have to push it that way. Rotate it.
There we go.
Yeah.
Like I'm holding a freaking mini rocket launcher.
This has got to be the biggest bitch I've ever met.
Can we get the torch over here?
Hold on.
I can bring the torch over here and cut it. Damn, look.
Look. Just you come hold it. Let me use that thing.
Yeah, go ahead and do it. Freaking can't get it the right way.
You hurt yourself.
Oh, I ain't gonna hurt myself.
Bro, what is leaking at this thing?
Can't get it in there.
That's why.
Sick and tired of this. Let it come down some.
Oh. There.
Not actually. I can't say that. Pick everything up. Let's go. I'm so pretty hot, bro.
Heck yeah.
We gotta go to courthouse though.
We gotta light it down. We gonna light it down.
Make sure, hold on.
Alright.
Hold on. Let's pull everything out from under it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Finally got it off. After about an hour.
Let it down more.
Down all the way.
Raise it back up. Damn it.
That was because that was in the way.
Let it down.
Yeah.
Alright, back it up. Turning the lights off.
Hey,
My hair dirty.
Huh?
My hair dirty from being on the floor.
Nah. It's way louder.
Back off! That is so loud. I told you you'd be able to hear the sound.
Bro, I feel like it's gonna be raspy though.
That ain't gonna be raspy.
It sound kind of clap.
That sounds good.
It sound kind of clap a little bit. Just we gotta see what you hit it.